Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to figure out which new iPhone is the perfect match for you, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a full comparison of the iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the massive iPhone 17 Pro Max. We're going to break down every key difference, from the display and performance to the cameras and battery life, so you can make a smart decision. Which one will come out on top for your needs? Let's get into it and find out. First up, let's talk about design and what you'll be looking at every day: the display. The great news is that Apple has brought its stunning Super Retina XDR OLED display with promotion technology to all three models this year. That means you get that super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, the interactive dynamic island, and an always-on display, no matter which phone you choose. The brightness levels are incredible, making everything look sharp and vibrant, even in direct sunlight. Where they differ is size. The standard iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Pro both feature a comfortable 6.3-inch screen, which is a fantastic size for most hands and pockets. But if you're someone who loves watching movies, playing games, or just wants the biggest canvas possible, the iPhone 17 Pro Max steps it up to a huge 6.9-inch display. This larger screen really delivers a more immersive experience for all your content. So, if screen real estate is your top priority, the Pro Max is the clear winner here. Now, let us look under the hood and talk about the brains of the operation: the chip and performance. This is where we see another key split in the lineup. The iPhone 17 is powered by Apple's brand new A19 chip. Don't get me wrong, this is an incredibly fast and efficient processor that will handle all your everyday tasks, social media, and even demanding games with absolute ease. For the vast majority of people, the A19 is more than powerful enough. However, if you're a professional, a serious content creator, or someone who pushes their phone to the absolute limit, the Pro models have something extra for you. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max are equipped with the even more powerful A19 Pro chipset. This Pro-level chip is specifically designed to offer next-level performance for intensive tasks like 4K video editing, Pro-level photography, high-end gaming, and heavy multitasking. So, if you need the fastest performance available, the Pro and Pro Max are definitely the way to go. Alright, let us move on to one of the most important features for many of us: the camera system. This is where the differences between the models become really significant. The iPhone 17 comes with a highly capable dual camera setup on the back. You get a 48-megapixel main camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This system is fantastic for everyday photography, capturing beautiful, detailed shots and giving you the flexibility of that wider perspective. But for those who are serious about their mobile photography and videography, the Pro models take things to a whole new level. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max feature a triple 48-megapixel rear camera system. You get the main and ultra-wide lenses, but they also add a powerful telephoto lens. This third lens unlocks incredible optical zoom capabilities, allowing you to get much closer to your subjects without losing quality. It also enables advanced features like macro photography and better portrait mode shots. So if having the most versatile and professional camera system in your pocket is your main goal, you'll want to look at the Pro or Pro Max. Next up, let's discuss battery life and storage, two practical aspects that can make a huge difference in your daily experience. On the charging front, all three models have finally adopted USB-C for faster, more universal charging, and they all support MagSafe wireless charging. When it comes to battery life, while all models have excellent all-day longevity, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the undisputed champion. Thanks to its larger physical size, it can house a much bigger battery, giving you the best endurance of the entire lineup. If you're a heavy user or frequently find yourself away from a charger, the Pro Max is the most reliable option. Storage options also vary. The iPhone 17 offers configurations up to 512 gigabytes, which is plenty for most users. However, the Pro and Pro Max start at a higher base storage and go all the way up to 1 terabyte. And for the ultimate power users who shoot tons of high-resolution video, the Pro Max exclusively offers a massive 2 terabyte option. So, after all that, which iPhone 17 should you actually buy? Let's quickly recap to help you decide. The iPhone 17 is the perfect choice for the average user. You get the flagship experience with that beautiful 120Hz display and a powerful A19 chip, all at a more accessible price point. It's a fantastic all-around device. I hope this breakdown helped make your decision a little easier. It really comes down to what you value most in a phone. Which one are you leaning towards? Let me know your pick in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech comparisons and reviews. We'll see you in the next one.